Hey guys, welcome back to SaaS Track. Today, in this video, we are going to discuss a very well-known online animation software, Vyond. Vyond provides the best video creation platform for the people of all skill sets and for many industries like marketing, training, and e-learning. It lets you create powerful media and compelling data visualizations that engage your audience and deliver better results. With Vyond, you can easily create videos for any purpose and on any platform. The videos that are created will be exported in MP4 format and can be easily added to any social media channels, hosting platforms, and LMS systems. You can also export your creation as an animated GIF. Exciting, isn't it? So let's not waste any time and dive into more details about this product. To get started with Vyond, you can first sign up for 15 days of a free trial by clicking on the link mentioned in the description. The best thing is you do not have to provide your credit card information while opting for the free trial. Once you are done with the signing up, log into your account and access your studio. You will be navigated to the dashboard. There you will see Make a Video option in the top right corner. Just click on that option and you will be navigated to another page where you will get an option to select a style. Among different style options, contemporary, business friendly, and whiteboard animation, you can choose anyone to get started. Let's take this contemporary style. If you are using the tool for the first time, you will get to see an information box which will guide you to use Vyond. The best way to start creating your videos is to use templates. At the bottom of the screen, you will see a plus button. You can click on it to explore hundreds of templates with different styles. You can also toggle between 3 visual styles from the template panel. Hover over each template to preview adding it to your video. Now click the one you want to use. Let's take this one for now. As you can see, after clicking, it immediately appears in the timeline. Making changes to any of the scenes is very easy, as you only need to do is drag and drop. To add the next scene, simply click on the down arrow and you will get 3 options. Add template. Click on this if you want to add another template. Continue the last scene. If you want to continue editing the existing scene, then choose this option. Add blank scene. To add a blank scene, choose this option. This top area you are seeing is the toolbar. And here in the top left side of the toolbar, an asset library is available. From here you can choose the characters, props, charts, texts and audio. Here is the upload option, from where you can access and import your personal library of audio, images and fonts. Let's check out each of these options in more detail. In the character panel, you can choose your favorite character from the hundreds of options with different styles. In fact, you also have the option to create your own character by clicking on this. In the props panel, you can see thousands of static and animated assets across each style. In the charts panel, you will get various options to visualize your data, and you can also customize each chart type as per your needs. The text panel provides 3 options: title, subtitle and body. All 3 can be edited for size and font. In the audio panel, you can find a lot of music and sound clips that you can use in your video. You can also record your voice or generate text-to-speech dialogue by clicking on the Add Audio button. Now let's move ahead to discuss the right side of the toolbar, where you will find the asset properties. You can hover over each button to know what it does. The asset properties can be changed depending upon the type of asset you have selected on the stage. For example, every prop inside the contemporary style is color changeable. You can change their asset properties from here, and props can also be swapped from here. Besides that, there is an action button. To preview any of the action, you can hit the play button present at the bottom corner of any action, and to apply the action, click the full icon. The buttons available at the right side of the taskbar also allows you to add effects, including motion path. Through the timeline at the bottom, you can adjust or rearrange all the scenes of your video. You can expand the timeline by clicking at the turn arrow to check all the effects and motions you have applied. Transition and effects are represented by a green bar and motion are represented with blue. You can enlarge the timeline viewing area by tapping on the top of the timeline. You can also zoom into the timeline to make more refined timing adjustments in your scene. When you are done with the video creation and ready to watch the video, click on the preview button. If you want to watch only the scene you are working on, click the down arrow and select the preview from here option. You can make adjustments to the duration of the scenes like this: camera movements, motion paths, and transitions in the preview mode. To exit preview, just click anywhere outside the stage or tap again on the preview button. The video automatically gets saved every 10 seconds, but you can also save your work by clicking on the save button at the upper right corner. Finally, before exiting, give your video a name here. Let's take the sample video for now and take a look at the final preview. Your video is ready. Coming to the pricing plans of this efficient video production software, Vyond offers 4 pricing plans: Essential, Premium, Professional, and Enterprise, starting with $299 per year. For more details, you can visit the pricing page of Vyond. So guys, that was a quick review of Vyond. Though the features are quite limited as compared to the Biteable and Renderforest, but still it is good. Now it's your turn to get your hands on this incredible tool. So what are you waiting for? Sign up and start with the 15 days of free trial with the link given in the description. Also, don't forget to share your experience in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then click on the subscribe button and notification bell next to it. If you like this video, hit like, or if you have any questions, then do write to us in the comment section below. Thank you.